Good morning, children. I am KSL sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Bison School. In previous class, we have discussed chapter exponents. Today also, we will continue the same topic, exponents. All of you open the textbook, page number 26, workout. Problem number 6. If x is equal to 2 by 3 whole square, if x is equal to 2 by 3 whole square into 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 4, find the value of x power minus 2. Find x power minus 2. Okay, this value we have to find. See, first of all, x is equal to 2 by 3 whole square into 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 4. So that is equal to 2 by 3 whole square into 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 4. This can be written as, what is the reciprocal of 3 by 2? 2 by 3, then this minus 4, exponent minus 4, it will become plus 4. Okay, so that is equal to, now a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So that is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 2 plus 4, that is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 2 plus 4 means 6. So x is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 6. Now next we have to find x power minus 2. X power minus 2 means 2 by 3 whole power 6. Actually this is the value of x. Next whole power minus 2. So that is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 6 into minus 2. 6 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 12. So x power minus 2 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power minus 12. This one we can write 3 by 2 whole power plus 12. 3 by 2 whole power plus 12. I hope it's very clear, children. Note down. Next problem 7. Now I will explain the problem 7. Okay, children. This is problem 7. If x is equal to 4 by 5 whole power minus 2, 4 by 5 whole power minus 2 divided by 1 by 4 whole square, find the value of x power minus 1. X power minus 1. See. Now, solution. X is equal to 4 by 5 whole power minus 2 divided by 1 by 4 whole square. Okay. This can be written as 4 by 5 whole power minus 2, we can write 5 by 4 whole power plus 2. This can be written as like this. 4 by 5 whole power minus 2, we can write 5 by 4 whole power plus 2 divided by This is 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 4 whole square. Okay. Next. So that is equal to 5 by 4 whole square into, instead of divided by, I am writing into. So the denominator 1 by 4 whole square, it will become 4 by 1 whole square. Actually this is the numerator, this is the denominator. Instead of divided by, I am writing into, multiplication. So this 1 by 4 whole square, it will become 4 by 1 whole square. Okay. So that is equal to, this is 5 square by 4 square into 4 square by 1 square. So simply we can say that, now 4 square cancel, 5 square by 1 square, that is equal to 25 by 1, so that is equal to 25. So this is the value of x. So x power minus 1 is equal to 1 by x, that is equal to 1 by 25. X power minus 1 is equal to what? 1 by x, that means 1 by 25. So this is the 7th problem solution. Okay children, note down, this is 7th problem. Next, to express the following in standard form, I will explain. Problem number 8. Now problem number 8. See, express the following in standard form. Express the following in standard form. Okay. A 6 crore 75 lakhs 43,000. This is problem A. Problem B 0.5. So both we have to convert into standard form. So this is 6 crore 75 lakhs 43,000. So that is equal to 6.7543 into 10 to the power of, after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 6.7543 into 10 to the power of 7. Okay. This one 0.5 is equal to 5 by 10. That is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Simply we can write 5 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay, this is problem B solution. In the same way, C you can do homework. Problem C you can do homework. Okay children, this is homework. Now problem D I will explain. D 0 point, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Again, after 8 zeros, 1. So, this one we can write 1 by 1 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, then 10 to the power of 9. 1 by 10 to the power of 9. So, that is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay. After decimal, how many digits are there? Just you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the power of 9. So this one into 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay. So this is problem number 8 ABCD solution. Only C I gave the homework in this Roman. Next problem number 9. Write the following in usual form. Write the following in usual form. I will explain ninth one. Ninth one. Write the following in usual form. Write the following in usual form. So first A 8.08 into 10 cube. 10 cube. So this one. Children observe, write the following in usual form. 8.08 into 10 cube. So this one we can write 8.0 into 10 cube, no? So that is equal to 8.08 into 10 cube means what? 10 into 10 into 10. That means 1000. So that is equal to, after decimal, 2 digits. That's why just remove the 2 zeros. Then 808. Okay. Then into 10 means 8080. See shortcut. After decimal, how many digits? 2 digits. That's why 2 zeros. While you removing this decimal, the 2 zeros we have to remove. Then it will become 808. 808 into 10, 8080. Okay. So this is the A. Next to B. 7.2 into 10 to the power of 4. Minus 7.2. Minus 7.2 into 10 to the power of 4. So this one minus 7.2 into 10 to the power of 4 is equal to minus 7.2 into 10 power 4 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is equal to 10,000. So is equal to, then after decimal 1 digit. That's why just we have to remove 1 zero. Then it will become minus 72. Okay. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So this is minus 72,000. Minus 72,000. So this is a shortcut way. Okay. Next to problem number C. This one you can do homework. Okay, children. Next to D. Working sums I will explain now. Children, just a minute. Once you read 8 copies of a book with 500 pages or 8 copies of a book with 500 pages are stacked on top of each other. If thickness of page is 0.0065 centimeter, then what is the height of the stack of books? Height of the stack of the books. Okay. Same. 10th problem. See. 8 copies of a book with 500 pages. So total number of copies, how many? 8 copies. Each copy having how many pages? 500 pages. Okay. Next, the thickness of each page is 0.0065 centimeter. So first of all, thickness of one page is equal to 0.0065 centimeter. Okay. So this is the thickness of one page. Next, number of pages in one copy means one book. One book means each copy. So that is equal to 500 pages. How many pages? So total number of copies. Total number of copies is equal to 8 copies. Okay. Express your answer in scientific notation. What we have to find? What is the height of the stack of the book? Therefore, the height of the stack of the books. What is the height of the stack of the books? Stack of the books. That is equal to total of how many copies? 8 copies. Each copy having 500 pages. Each page thickness is 0.0065 centimeter. Okay. Now multiplication 8 into 500 is equal to 4000. That is equal to 4000 into 0.0065 centimeter. So simply we can understand after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 3 zeros. The decimal it will become 3 places. That is equal to 4 into 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Still here 3 zeros. This while we are removing 3 zeros, the decimal we have to move 3 places. 1, 2, 3. It will become now what? 6.5 centimeter. So this is 4. Okay. Next. Then we know that 4000 means what? 4 into 1000. So 1000 we should multiply with this 0.0065. Then the decimal we have to move 3 places. That will become 6.5. So that is 4 into 6.5. That means 26 centimeter. So we have to express the 26 in scientific notation. That means 2.6 into 10 to the power of 1 centimeter. 2.6 into 10 to the power of 1 centimeter. This is the total height of the stack of the books. Okay, children. So this is the 10th one solution. In this way we can complete. I hope it's very clear. Okay. Now I will give you homework. Children, watch the videos very concentrately. After that, once you observe the PDF before writing the classwork, observe the PDF each and everything. Try to understand the PDF file, and you have to write the same thing in your classwork also. Okay, so this is the way you have to follow. Don't forget it. You have to follow this procedure. Okay, first watch the video concentrately. Next, observe the PDF file, and the same thing you have to write in your classwork. Okay, some problems I have explained in workout. Like exercise. Workout means this is also like exercise only. Actually, you have to solve all these problems in this workout. Okay, I have explained some difficult problems in this workout also. Remaining problems you can do it. Next, today's homework. Problem number 6 to 7, 8, 9, 10. So these problems you have to do practice in your practice book or homework book. Thank you.